i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be utilizing this John Deere 245C hydraulic track excavator to clear off this little load of trees and stack it up. If you're looking for a hydraulic thumb or a manual thumb or a new machine, we have everything you need right here. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Benefit of the hydraulic thumb, you can move it on the fly. You don't have to get out, remove any pins or anything else. My favorite part about the hydraulic thumb is less about going from digging to grabbing and more about when you're getting ready to move your machine and put it up on a big truck. You don't have to unpin everything and move the bracket. You can just use the hydraulic cylinder, using the auxiliary hydraulics to pull it down. That way you can get your arm pulled down low enough to get it up on the truck. So you're not going to fight or anything crazy. Like I said, for a machine, we have a large inventory, consignment, heavy equipment. It changes all the time. New things come in, things sell. Our website is always kept up to date. You can always see what's new there. He's getting that pulled off. Walk up here and show you the website, i35equipment.com. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day.